We should put marimba music behind this, and I sound really smart, and I put my glasses on. Hang on, put my glasses on. Hit my inhaler real quick. Okay. This is the scientifically proven by mathematicians and physicists to be the perfect family travel trailer. With good credit, it's only $300 a month. Did I sound smart? Good, good, good. Hello everybody, Billy Eatman, Johnston RV, home of the Forever Warranty. We're here today in front of the Cherokee 26KF travel trailer. We're going to take a look inside and out and see why it is scientifically proven to be the best family travel trailer for the price that you could buy. Here with the 26KF, we have excellent storage. You can pack all your things in there. Right now there's the griddle to the outdoor kitchen, but your beach chairs, small cooler, it fits a lot. And you also have the 200-watt solar package on this baby right here. We have the outdoor kitchen with the integrated shelf. That's very, very fun. But what you can do here, you have the ice maker with gourmet ice cubes. Put all your mixers in here and you're ready to go. Imagine the awning out, beach view, sitting in your lawn chair with your soulmate. It's a nice day. Something else. My wife said, what's the shower head for? So, imagine you need to rinse off your sand before you go in the camper, or you want to rinse off some dishes after cooking out here. You've got your little water source, and it saves room because you don't have the sink out here, which in the one I had, the sink was pretty useless back in the day. You know, another thing I noticed is how cool this is going to look at night. You've got the blue accent lighting on the Bluetooth speakers that you can Bluetooth in with your phone, play anything you like. And that blue light, you're going to be the best looking crew at the campground. Another cool feature of the 26KF is the separate door that goes straight into the bathroom. So if you've got muddy kids, you've been out with the side-by-sides at the off-road park or at the beach again with sand, you can hose them off over there and then send them straight to the shower. And actually this one has that little tub. So if you've got little ones that need a little bit of a bath, you've got a little bit of a tub in there too. All right, here we have the bunks that's a good full with the edge cut off so the kids can get in. You've got the ladder to make it easy. They have the little Wolfie night light, and up top they have outlets for all the gadgets and games they love. This is very similar to the model, the very first camper my wife and I had, and the kids just loved it. Normally they're outside playing, but on that rainy day, they have their own little spot there, and they like it. And then if you've got dogs, I know a German Shepherd that would love that little cubby hole. You've got the built-in ladder, which you don't see on every unit, and just tons of little cubby storage here that you can just everything you can think of. Here we have a very sizable dinette. I'm not a little guy. I'm every bit of 5'3". I'm kidding, 6'2". But I'm 6'2". Very comfy. It's not real close. You can have your dinner here. 2 adults and 3 kids, no problem. And great for family game night too. And you have tons of storage. You've got that drawer over there, and if this one pulls out the same. Look how much storage you have there. It just keeps going. That's a lot of. And because it's so big, it's not on rails. It just rests in there. But because of that, you can actually put a lot of weight in it. You're not going to break it. And like most, they convert to the bed. You lift this puppy up. It sits on these slots down here. The pillows are like great fun for the kids. It's a jigsaw puzzle, kids, and they make their bed. And then you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can sleep 8 people in here. If you really know each other, 10. Now, as you can already tell, we're in the kitchen. You've got a fridge, and it does what fridges do. It keeps your food cold. You've got the real air fryer. It's not a fake air fryer. It's real. We're here today to tell you about the industry's first real air fryer. It's the Cherokee, making camping tastier. We have the cover here that comes out so you can do dishes, but it's also the drying rack. I don't know if you've ever done dishes in a camper, but drying the dishes is a huge pain. Where do you put the drying rack? Well, you've got it built in. You've got the cutting board that sits right there, perfectly mated up, the deep sink so it doesn't slide around when you're driving. You also have your fancy sprayer shower head faucet there. We've got our Contour luxury vent with the light and fan. If you notice the storage, we have the fluted frosted glass. And as we walk around in here, you can really see we have all the lights on for the video, but these can individually be turned off into the house of blue lights, which is very, very cool. It's easy on the eyes. Kind of like our cameraman. He's cute, y'all. Storage-wise, you have quite a bit of room here. Pretty deep, that's about a foot deep. I'm not sure if those are tall enough for a cereal box. You can get the short cereal box in there. However, you can definitely put your tall cereal boxes in here if you've got teen boys that ever go with you, because they can wolf down some Captain Crunch. If you're safety minded, every camper comes with smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and your fire extinguisher by the door. I'm kind of a nerd like that, and I like to have a couple other extra fire extinguishers. And both doors have a deadbolt lock, so you can rest assured nobody's coming in to get you. If you're grandparents and you're looking for a really good economical unit to take the grandkids with you, this is it. As I've gotten a little older, I appreciate a good seat a little more than I used to. And as a matter of fact, that can break a deal if I'm buying a camper. If it doesn't have a good seat, I ain't buying it. This seat is good. It's very nice. Right across from the TV, just a toss for a cold beverage from the fridge there. And if you look around, there's lots of USB A and C outlets where you don't need your block. You can just plug your phone right into there and charge it. Across from the fireplace, that is 1400 watts. And that heater is all you're gonna need spring and fall. If it's really cold, you'd use your furnace. But that thing puts out a lot of heat. It's gonna keep you warm. And it's romantic. All right, here's the bedroom through the luxury arched doorway with the sliding door for privacy. You have the offset cabinetry in here. At first glance, you don't look like you have a nightstand on this side, but behind the cabinets, there is a little cubby for you with an outlet and USB A and C, so you can plug up your phone. You have storage here that's super cool. That slides over and you can put stuff in there. And then underneath the bed, you've actually got these little totes for shoes or laundry or whatever floats your boat, as they say. And back here, you have nice shelves, good storage for your clothes, especially for a family weekend getaway.